The Voortman Steel Group VB1250 Bandsaw is a manufactured in the United States by Voortman Steel Group, a leader in the bandsawing industry. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industries, where precision and reliability are essential. I'm Ernesto with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Myrex to talk about one of the most reliable and versatile machines in the industry, the Voortman VB1250 Bandsaw machine. This is a horizontal cutting bandsaw with a cutting capacity of 24-inch round and 24 by 50 rectangular. It's perfect for cutting structural, I-beams, aluminum, and carbon steel with efficiency and accuracy. The Voortman Steel Group VB1250 we are looking at here is the standard model. This machine has been around for over 20 years and they have sold a lot of these machines worldwide. The blade size for this machine is a 32-foot 2-inch length and 2 5/8 in width. Now let's talk about the blade we're running today. At Sawblade.com, we sell a lot of blades for the VB1250, and right now we're using the Q501 IC structural bimetal bandsaw blade. The Q501 is ideal blade for structural steel and fabrication shops as it prevents tooth chipping with its unique profile, offers reduced noise, long life, and excellent cost per cut. These blades reduce vibration, increase blade life, and save you time and money. And at Sawblade.com, we offer the Q501 at competitive prices with fast delivery. The Voortman Steel Group VB1250 has an 8-gallon cooling tank. Keep in mind that coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is especially designed for bandsaws, cutting carbon steel. The C5200 is a synthetic coolant for ferrous and non-ferrous metals and is slow foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradable. It enhances tool life. The QC Fluid 5200 should be mixed at a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. Q Fluid's coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction and heat, keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, it extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. I have seen this throughout the years I have been in the business. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance. The C5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. Like a lot of higher-end machines made, the Voortman Steel Group VB1250 uses a carbide blade guides to keep the blade aligned. These guides are usually important. In fact, one of the most common reasons for crooked cuts is worn or damaged blade guides. Blade guides are critical for keeping your blade straight and aligned during operation. People don't like to change them because of the cost. It's true that OEM guides from the manufacturer can be expensive, but at Sawblade.com we offer black iron blade guides. The black iron carbide blade guides are more durable, perform better, and cost less. Replacing your guides regularly keeps your machine running smoothly and cut perfectly aligned. The V1250 machine is loaded with small features that reduce your cost, but it's essential to pay attention and keep the machine maintained. I'm talking about the importance of the chip brush, like the black iron 3 3/8 chip brush. This is the least expensive investment to reduce costs, and it's often overlooked. The black iron chip brush removes work-hardened chips from the blade teeth. If these chips aren't cleared, they can cause the blade to dull faster and produce poor quality cuts. The brush adjustment is a simple one. The brush should lightly contact the blade to clean off the chips without wearing itself out. It's a small investment that pays off big with longer lasting blades. To recap, the VB1250 bandsaw is a versatile, manual automatic, dual column cutting saw with unmatched performance for fabrication and machine shops. Paired with the products at service from Sawblade.com, we can make the machine even more efficient. I'm Ernesto with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.